students. In this video, I am going to explain equivalent weight of oxidants, reductants, and next one N factor calculation. N factor calculation for disproportionation reactions. We are going to see these two topics in this video. These two topics are little confusing, but most important concepts for JEE and NEET examination and whatever you are writing competitive examination. Okay, students, let's begin with KMnO4. In previous video, I have given oxidant reductant, how to take equivalent weights and equivalent weight normal acids, bases, salts calculation, and one oxidant I gave, that is what K2Cr2O7 I had given. Remaining I am giving in this video. Okay, KMnO4. So put heading here, equivalent weight. Equivalent for weight for oxidant reductant. Okay guys, now KMnO4 in acidic medium. What is N factor? They are asking what is N factor? How to calculate N factor, students? N factor, how to calculate? In previous video we have seen the oxidants, gain of electrons. N factor is nothing but for oxidants, gain of electrons. For reductants, loss of electrons. Oxidizing agent means ready to reduce. Reducing agent means ready to oxidize. Okay. Previous videos you can watch it first, then come back to this one. KMnO4 in acidic medium, N factor. So see students, KMnO4 acidic medium, it converts into Mn plus 2. You have to write this product also. Sometimes they will not give product. So calculate oxidation state your plus 7. Now write down Mn plus 7 oxidation state to plus 2 oxidation state. Plus 2 oxidation state. How many electrons he gained? 5 electrons gained. 5 electrons gained. That's the reason plus 7 state to plus 2 state is converted. So what is the N factor here? N factor equal to 5. Then how to calculate equivalent weight? M by 5. You can leave like this, or else if you know molecular weight, you can substitute and calculate 158 molecular weight by 5. You will get answer 31.6. Like that we are going to calculate. Next question 2. KMnO4. I am covering your two questions, students. Neutral medium and weakly basic. Neutral medium and weakly basic medium. Yes. Weakly medium and weakly basic medium and neutral medium. Now here KMnO4 converting into MnO2. See, this is a neutral medium or weakly basic medium. It converts into KMnO4 to MnO2. What is oxidation state here? Plus 7. What is oxidation state here? Plus 4. If you need calculation, if you are confusing oxidation states calculation, definitely you can go through our videos. Part 1, Part 2 had explained. High order questions also had explained, students. Now here you can write plus 7 to plus 4. How many electrons, students? Yes, 3 electrons gained. That's all. Here what is N factor? N factor equal to 3. Some of the students they're confusing how to write. See, change in oxidation state. Change in oxidation state writing. +7, +6, +5. That's it. Don't take +4. If you take, if you want to take +4, +6, +5, +4, you can take it. Either this one you can include, this one you can include, but both you don't take. Wrong, you'll get it. Okay, that's it. +6, +5, +4, or else +7, +6, +5. Okay. Now here calculate equivalent weight. Equivalent weight equal to m by 3. What is m? M not no change by 3. So you will get your 52.3 answer. Clear students? Like this we are going to calculate. Very important question. Now next one. Equivalent weight of KMnO4 in basic medium. Basic. It is strongly basic. Basic medium. That is strongly basic. Strongly basic. Please make a note. Don't confuse above question and below question. That is weakly basic. This is strongly basic. So then KMnO4 converting into yes K2MnO4. This is permanganate. Potassium permanganate. Potassium permanganate, and this is potassium manganate. Manganate. Here oxidation state +7 to +6. That's all students. Here N factor equal to 1. N factor equal to 1. So what about equivalent weight? Equivalent weight equal to molecular weight. Equivalent weight equal to m by 1. What is m? 158 by 1. That is nothing but 158. Clear students? Like that we are going to calculate. This is about KMnO4. Oxidants completed. Now what about reductants? Reductants also we can take 1 or 2. Then move on to the redox reaction. Then move on to the disproportionation reaction. Reductants, that is nothing but reducing agents. First one I am taking H2C2O4, oxalic acid. It is converting into CO2. Whenever oxalic acid is their combination in acidic medium it convert into CO2. That's it. Now calculate oxidation state, students. So this is -8, 4 2s are -8, this is +2. Each carbon is total 2 carbons equal to +6, each carbon equal to +3. Here -4 +4, only 1 carbon is there, that only we can take it. Okay, so total change, here we allowed students 3 to 4, 1 unit change. 1 unit change. Reducing agents means what is the students? Reducing agent means ready to undergoing what is this? Oxidation, right or not? So increased oxidation state +3 to +4. So oxidation, right or not? 1 unit change. But total change, don't forget this one, total change. Whereas KMnO4, no, manganese left hand side, right hand side, one on only. But here it's not like that. Here it is 2, here 1. At least one side it is great, highest number, that only we have to consider. Total change 2 into 1, 2 here. Like K2Cr2 was there. Okay. Don't forget this point. If you forget this point, your answer will be wrong. Clear? First to calculate oxidation states. Some of the students, they will balance here itself. Your wish, you can balance and calculate. or else this is the way you can do it. Total change 2 into 1. So finally, what is our answer? Equivalent weight equal to molecular weight by total change. We have to write m by 2. That's it, your answer. Okay, students. Now, you can take it molecular weight and go for calculation. Second one, H2S. Can you try this one? H2S. H2S means definitely it's converting into SO2. SO2. Try this one. This is plus 2. This is minus 2. This is minus 4 plus 4. Yes. Minus 2 to plus 4. Increased oxidation state. How many units? Your most important point. Minus 2 to plus 4. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't take. Either you can take it this one or this one. Don't take both. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. So what is n factor? N factor equal to 6. Equivalent weight equal to m by 6. That's it. Clear? Now, more salt. Most of the questions, most of the time they're asking another question, more salt. More salt n factor. First of all, most of the students don't know the structure. So that's the reason they're confusing. More salt, how to calculate? More salt. Formula I'm writing FeSO4 dot NH4 twice, NH4 twice, SO4 2H2O, 24H2O. This is the formula of more salt. Now it is converting into, so how to convert more salt? It is converting into simple logic here, students, but they're giving biggest formula. Students are confusing here. So what is this here? FeSO4 NH4 times SO4 24H2O. This more salt finally converting into NH4 twice SO4. So it is converting into simple one, Fe to SO4 thrice. Can you try this one? Can you try this one? What is this? Fe to SO4. So left hand side calculate oxidation state. Right hand side also you can calculate oxidation state. Try to do this one. What is the answer, students? Yes, here oxidation state of ion is plus 2. Here oxidation state of ion is plus 3. That's it. Only you can see this point. Remaining, remove it. These are all spectators. No use in the reaction. So spectators, leave it. Only ion, active species you can take it. Sulfur no change, oxygen no change, oxidation state. This product is not there, leave it. Only ion plus 2 to plus 3. That's it. Okay, ion, ferrous to ferric. If it is in lower state definitely is converting into higher state if it combines with oxidizing agent. Okay, if it combines with suppose reducing agent +3 to +2 like that. Okay, only one exceptional case, brown ring, already we have discussed in part 1 video. Check it here. What is n factor, students? N factor equal to 1. Okay, this is m by 1. What is this? Equivalent weight equal to m by 1. Clear, students? That's it. We are going to do more solve like this. Finally, n factor is 1. Now, next question. Redox reaction. For redox reactions, how to calculate n factor? Redox reaction, n factor. Okay, one of the frequently asking question I am writing. K2Cr2O7. Till now we have seen separately oxidants and reductants. Now combining these two. Combining these two means where it is changing, how to take it. So K2Cr2O7 individually I had explained, separately had explained. Now this combination I am taking, check it. Cr2SO4 thrice plus K2SO4. This is your product. Now check it. Calculate oxidation state, quick students. This is -14, this is +2, this is +12. Each chromium equal to +6. Chromium in acidic medium, you know already. If you know that one, directly you can write the answer. Starting I had explained. So chromium acidic medium means what is n factor? Already you know, right? So check it once again. So SO2. SO2, finally this guy, okay, after that I can show all the points, students, +6. Here, what is this? -6. 3 sulfates, 3 2s are -6, this is +6. Each chromium equal to +3. Clear? +6 to +3. +6 to +3 means decreased oxidation state. Decreased oxidation state. Why? Because it is good oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent ready to undergo reduction. Here, how many units? +6 to +3 means 3 units. 3 electrons gained. But total change here 2, here 2. So we have to take it 2. 2 into 3, 6 units. 6 units, 6 electrons gained. Clear? Now what about the other guy? What about the other guy? Can you calculate? Yes. -4, this is what? +4. Here, -8 +6 +2. Now calculate. +4 to +6. How many units, students? 2 units changed. Right? 2 electrons, 2 electrons lost. This is reducing agent. Reducing agent means ready to oxidize. Okay, that's all. Alone, it's not possible. K2Cr2O7 H2SO4 acts as oxidizing agent means he is oxidizing the neighboring group. Who is the neighboring group? He is the neighboring group. Alone he is not oxidizing, right? Somebody is oxidizing this guy. Who is that? This guy. And he is ready to undergo reduction. But who is doing this one? This one. He acts as reducing agent. He acts as oxidizing agent. That is redox reaction. Oxidizing agent and reducing agent. Clear explanation I had given in part 3 video. Students, please go through that. That's it, students. Now, what is n factor here? Total change, only 1 sulfur here, also 1 sulfur, totally 2 only. Total change is 2. 2 electrons lost. Already we have written, no? Your n factor equal to, can you write? Separately we have to write. Equivalent weight of potassium dichromate in acidic medium. What is this? M by 6. Already we have calculated, right? Now next one, equivalent weight of SO2, how much? M by 2. That's it. Clear? Redox reaction separately we have to do like this. Now all models I am covering. Now disproportionation reaction. Very interesting point, students. Disproportionation. Calculation of n factor and equivalent weight of disproportionation reaction. Okay. Now I am going to give one example. Two models, two different methods I am explaining students, computative and normal method also. Shortcut and normal method, both are computative important. Both the methods, write down NaClO3 plus water. Okay. Now try to calculate first oxidation state. Disproportionation reaction, we all know. Same element undergo both oxidation and reduction, right? This is zero oxidation state, 0 to minus 1. Okay. And again this guy only, 0 to plus 1. Okay. So 0 to minus 1 means reduction. 0 to plus 5 means, yes, oxidation. Now separately I am writing points to understand more. The chlorine, 0 oxidation state to chlorine minus 1 oxidation state. 0 to minus 1. How many units, students? How many units? 1 unit. But total change also we have to take a total change equal to 2 into 1, 2. Okay, clear? Now next one. Chlorine, another one. Chlorine, 0 oxidation state to chlorine plus 5, right? 0 to plus 5. What happened? Increased oxidation state. How many units? 5 units. But total change, okay, total change equal to how much? 2 into 5. Here equivalent weight, how to write, students? Chlorine. What is it? Equivalent weight equal to, tell me, what is it? Yes, m by 2 plus, what is it? M by 10. M by 2 plus m by 10. You will get equivalent weight for 3m by 5. This is equivalent weight. Now, n factor, how to calculate? N factor, equivalent weight equal to molecular weight by n factor, right? As of now, you know molecular weight, equivalent weight. Substitute here, you will get n factor. N factor equal to molecular weight, m only you can take it, m by equivalent weight. How much, students? 3m by 5. Now simplify this one, 5m by 3m. M gets cancelled, you will get answer 5 by 3. What is the, student? 5 by 6. This is n factor for disproportionation reaction. Method is lengthy, but you will get perfect answer. Okay, for this I am going to give shortcut also. Very easily you can work out shortcut. I think most of the students like this shortcut. How to calculate n factor for disproportionation reactions. N factor for disproportionation reactions. N factor for disproportionation reaction equal to n factor equal to n1 n2 by n1 plus n2. That's it. Okay. Just now we have calculated now chlorine 0 oxidation state to minus 1. Chlorine 0 oxidation state to 5. What is the total change we have taken here? Here total change equal to 2. Here total change equal to 10. That is N1, N2. That's it. Is it clear, students? 0 to -1. Just now we go through the points. No? Just now we have calculated. What is this? Yes. See, here 0 to -1, total change 2, here total change 10. So like that we have to do this question. Yes. 2 to 10, here 2, here 10. That is N1, one is N1, one is N2. This is N1, this is N2. Substitute here. N factor equal to N1, 2 into 10 by 2 plus 10. 20 by 12. 5 fours are 20. 3 fours are 12. 5 by 3 answer here. Here also 5 by 3 answer. Check it. Clear? Like that we are going to do the question. I am giving another question. Everybody try it and comment me answer. Yes, everyone comment me this answer, students. What is this? Is it you will get value or a first method you can follow, second method you can follow, and finally do this one. Okay, students, with this equivalent weights and factors calculation is completed. Next coming videos, I am going to explain the balancing the reaction. Balancing by oxidation number method, I am acidic medium, basic medium, ion electrode method, both the methods I am going to give. Thank you, students. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel, like, give me likes. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.